Alright, so now we're going to draw a front elevation of this garage. So what we're going to do is create a brand new layer. Oops, I picked up two. So I want to rename this layer. We're going to call it front elevation. And I'm going to turn layer 2. I'm going to rename this one that also came up. I'm going to call it right side elevation. Alright, so with that turned off, front elevation is highlighted, floor plan is on. So where we're going to create the front elevation, we're going to make the walls 8 foot high. So I'm going to draw a line through here. Change my color to white. Draw a line through here. That represents the top plate of the building. I'm going to offset it 8 feet to the bottom. 8 feet. Then I'm going to, with orthographic projection, pull on that and run it down. Let's go 1 foot below that bottom line, and then we'll come across. We're going to extend this down from the corner. Right there. Okay, now I'm going to TR, double enter, get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of that, get rid of that. Then I'm going to extend this. This is the ground right here. So what I'm going to do, what I'm doing here, I'm drawing, this is a floor plan. We're looking from a plan view, a bird's eye perspective of the floor plan. We're going to illustrate what this house or what this garage looks like standing in front of the garage door looking back this way. So with that said, we're going with a 7-foot garage door height. So we're going to offset this line, offset 7 feet right there. And then I'm going to project the sides of my garage opening, and instead of pulling that line again, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to drag it from there to there. Now I'm going to do another TR, double enter, there's my garage door. Now to make it look more like a garage, what I like to do is draw my driveway line. Well, let's do this real quick first. Let's create some trim around that door. It's 4 inches. So we're going to go offset 4 inches to the outside of the door. Then we're going to extend this line to that point. Do the same thing. Right there. Okay. Now I'm going to do what I said. I'm going to create an angled line from here. Take my ortho off. And it's going to go like about like that. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to create sort of a sloping effect with the ground. Okay, now I'm going to TR double trim, or TR double enter. Get rid of this. Alright, so now we want to draw a roof. I'm going to let's draw this as a 6 and 12 pitch, 6 and 12 pitch, rise over run. The run is always 12, so let's type in 12 feet, and then let's go up, put my ortho back on, let's go up 6 feet, and then take ortho off and come to there and extend this further, 1 foot 2. We're going to offset this 6 inches. Oops. Offset 6 inches. And let's extend it just a little bit. Alright. We need to extend it this way too. Alright, so the way a roof looks, there's a drip edge 2 inches below this top line. This is called a fascia board. So we're going to offset this top line 2 inches down. So we're going to say offset 2, click right there. Then we're going to draw extend our fascia. Come just a little bit right there. Now we can do a TR, double enter for a trim. Okay, now what we need another line. We need to offset this. Let's go 4 inches. This is called a freeze board. I'm going to pull this back to this point right there. Now I'm going to highlight all of these and this, and I'm going to click mirror. I'm going to start right here. I go to right there. Keep both sides. Why did it do that? Okay, I know what I did. Messed up. That's not my center, so I'm going to hit the back button a couple times. Then I'm going to get rid of this. Get rid of that. Now I'm going to highlight all of this again. If you make a mistake, it's easy to correct one by hitting the back button. Mirror. Now I'm going to go to my midpoint right there. Put my ortho on. Now, okay, I'm going to TR, double enter for trim. And then I'm going to clean up these intersections. Work your way back from the end of the line. That way you won't have to restart. Alright, so that's what it looks like from the front. Now we need to add a little bit more detail. We need to offset 4 inches for corner boards. So we've got our 4-inch offset there. I hit enter. Come in. Come in. We're going to have to trim this a little bit. We don't want our corner board running into that concrete. This is concrete down here. This is siding. Above this line is siding. Below this line is concrete. Okay. I'm going to draw a louvered vent 1 feet 4 inches wide by 2 feet. Get rid of this. Offset this 2 inches. Okay. Now we're going to come out 3 inches. I'm going to offset this about 1 inch, come down 3, and come across to about the midpoint. Why there? Watch. Sometimes it's just as easy to mirror. And then we need a little piece of head trim here. 1, and then 4, and then come on across. That's 1/11, so come across 2 feet. Louvered vent. Let's get rid of that line. Let's extend this on down. Take my ortho mode off. Now we need to make this look a little bit more realistic, so we're going to put a few lines in our garage door. Alright, that's pretty good. We need to put one symbol here, and it's done like this. And above we're going to write rise over run, 6 inches of rise over 12 inches of run. So we're going to say